Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The designers and architects in Bangalore have a very, very different perspective, which helps us from the editorial stream to understand the subject better. And it happened once again at the jury meet today in the evening, where we got some very good ideas for the future also. And I'm sure we, that is our title sponsor, CERA, and us at Washrooms and Beyond, will take the suggestions a long way. So before taking more of your time, thank you so much for being here with us.
The faucet plant was the second one to start. We started around 10 years ago, and again it is one of the most advanced one with low pressure die casting machines, 3D printing machines, robotic machining. And the latest addition is the tiles. We started commercial production in our plant in Gudur in Andhra Pradesh around 2 years ago. And I thank you for support, because of which CERA today is a 1,000 crore company, and we are growing at much faster pace than the market rate. Thank you for your support.
It's indeed a very good initiative. I mean, normally everybody concentrates when you have awards. It's always about the large spaces or it's buildings and structures. Washrooms, toilets. This is a very interesting concept, because that's the most important utility area of a space.
I'm so excited to be part of Washroom and Beyond's this Washroom Design Challenge. It's an exciting subject, especially the subject I am looking at is the affordable home section, and we really need a lot of innovation, and this kind of a design challenges will be a great thing.
So I'm very happy that CERA and Washrooms and Beyond have come up with this competition on bathrooms. I think this is such a niche sector. We've all been designing washrooms for a long time. But what this competition sought to brought out, as we realized, is where the washroom can be taken to. And I think all the entries what we saw focused on that, the experiential part of the washroom. And it was a great experience seeing and judging the entries.
The concept is very good. So it's only when an award like this comes up that designers get an opportunity to really showcase their talent. The entries per se mostly they were conceptual entries, not finished entries. So it will be good to see this competition going to identify good designs which have been executed with the right kind of material. A lot of promotion of fine design, fine living, or even in the segment of affordable housing in terms of utilitarian design with minimal cost.
Washrooms in affordable housing is becoming very interesting, I think, primarily because one, the ingenuity of how you can make it super efficient as a size. Second, how do you probably waste minimum amount of money on making that space and still comfortable. So therefore, especially when you do an affordable housing, you need to be very intelligent and almost like the aircraft engineer to understand, to articulate that space. So that becomes a whole ordeal of experience and making by itself. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sujit Kumar and Mr. Milind Nulkar, to give this, nice, your opinion about the designs. I must also say that the involvement of the jury in Bangalore was also much higher amongst the other cities that we've been. And I'm saying this here, so I mean it. So thank you so much, the jurors. And I won't take much of your time. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience. And I'm sure we'll see all of you all next year again with many more prizes being won from the Karnataka zone. Thank you so much. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you.